This is a Nissan 350Z. Department of Public Safety. Approved. Yeah, right. How could they approve this man?
I have no idea.
Michael Stewart. He's upgraded it with 19-inch Volk Racing wheels, front mount intercooler, twin ball bearing Garrett GT Series turbos, Grady blow-off valve, many other things required for a turbocharger. And it has an in-car adjustable Tane suspension.